So this lawnmower I have right here, I want to remove this engine, and it's 3 tap bolts. And as you can see, these bolts have been in here since the life of the lawnmower, which is probably around about, I don't know, 5 years. And I'm gonna guess this is, that one might be a little too big. Let's go with the 9/16. That's a 9/16 right there. I have my impact driver. Let's go ahead and put these to the test. Check it out, there they are. So this has never been removed, by the way. Look at the shape of these bolts. Let's go ahead. Let's see if we can get down on there. Oh, wow, that's working. Look at that. Oh, see, this is what I was talking about. Now it's wedged in there. So look what it did to the bolt. It grabbed the edges of it there, and it cut into that bolt head. That one went way easier. I wonder if I could put them back on with this. Now this obviously, yeah, you can. It's not meant to do that, but you can. Check it out, everybody. So I was wanting to remove this engine, but I couldn't get it off using a conventional socket. So yeah, there it is. This worked great. This video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over a 14-piece bolt nut extractor set from the company Topec, maybe is how you would say that. And let's just open it up. Number one, look at this case. Very solid, strong case. It has a little slider right there, so you can easily store it wherever. And I like anytime something is bright color, so when I drop it, I don't lose it down in there. And what it looks like, it's doing imperial and metric at the same time. And it goes from 3/8, which is a 3/8 and 10 millimeter, all the way up to a 1 inch and 25 millimeter. You can see what it does. It cuts into the nut and it will remove it like that. And they give you a little extractor tool, and I think what this is to get the socket off of the nut after you use it. And then this over here is a little kind of adapter. So that'll go from a 1/4 inch down to a 3/8, or a, yeah, I think that's a 3/8 drive. You can see how that kind of works right there, and you could use it with an impact like driver or something like that. Everybody, this is very high quality at a very affordable cost. These things can range all over the map, and I think for the average backyard mechanic like myself, I think this is a perfect set to get and take care of any of those stubborn rusted nuts or bolts that have locked in over the years. So this is something I've been needing to put in my toolkit for a while. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the Topec impact bolt and nut remover set. See y'all in the next video.